Zero-shot anomaly detection is a traditional vision task and has been widely applied in the industry. Existing works leverage the zero-shot classification capability of pre-trained vision language models, such as CLIP, to handle this task. However, they cannot provide an interpretable reasoning on why an image is identified as an anomaly. This is crucial for an intelligent assistant to provide additional descriptions or suggestions. In this work, we propose Anomaly OV, the first specialist visual assistant for zero-shot anomaly detection and reasoning, and establish the first visual instruction tuning dataset and benchmark to facilitate corresponding research. Existing multimodal large language models cannot precisely identify the anomalies in the image. As the capsule example shows, GPT-4o fails to detect the anomaly. If we give the GPT some textual hints, it succeeds in locating the anomaly area. Also, we can provide it with visual hints, such as drawing a bounding box around the bubble. Then, the GPT can present a detailed description of the anomaly. Therefore, we conclude that the anomaly information is already contained in the visual tokens, and the failure of existing MLLMs is because the large language model cannot effectively pick out the related anomaly tokens. When doing a visual inspection on an object, we usually locate all the suspicious areas at first and then zoom in for further confirmation. Following this human-inspired paradigm and considering previous observations, we introduce an anomaly expert to explicitly assist LLM in distinguishing these tokens. Specifically, the anomaly expert leverages the visual features extracted from the CLIP model to locate the suspicious tokens and select them out for the large language model. Here is the pipeline of our proposed Anomaly OV. The original visual encoder, projector, and LLM are preserved to serve as the generalist for visual feature extraction and reasoning. The anomaly expert consists of LTFM to locate the anomalous tokens and VT selector to aggregate all the related anomaly information. Both the original visual tokens and the selected tokens are fed to the LLM. There are two training stages. In the first stage, we only train the anomaly expert part to equip it with enough anomaly detection knowledge. Then, in the visual instruction tuning stage, we freeze the anomaly expert and fine-tune the LLM and the projector for adaptation to the new token arrangement. The LTFM module combines the class information from the final features and two learnable embeddings to simulate the anomaly and normal patterns. The anomaly areas are located by comparing the similarities between the multi-level features and the two simulated patterns. The distribution of the high intensities of the anomaly map predicted by the LTFM is quite sparse, so we introduce the VT selector to capture the highly suspicious visual tokens and aggregate their relatives. This is implemented by multiplying the anomaly map and the original visual tokens before the pooling operation and leveraging the Q-former to merge the related token information. Between the original and selected visual tokens, we insert an indication prompt to emphasize the selected tokens, which can be seen as a kind of prompt engineering. Since there is no visual instruction tuning dataset available for anomaly detection and reasoning, we combine existing anomaly detection datasets and utilize the data generation pipeline commonly used in recent multimodal works to establish our training dataset. However, the diversity and the number of images in these datasets are quite limited and are not sufficient for visual instruction tuning. Therefore, we design a novel data collection pipeline by combining GPT and Google image search to crawl online data that can be used for anomaly detection. Finally, we contribute a large visual instruction tuning dataset, Anomaly Instruct 125K, which consists of 4 types of data: industrial, medical, 3D, and in the wild, for visual instruction tuning, and VISA-DR for benchmarking the performance on anomaly detection and reasoning. The anomaly expert of Anomaly OV achieves the best detection performance among existing methods over multiple benchmarks on the traditional zero-shot anomaly detection task. Also, on our established benchmark, VISA-DR, our full model, Anomaly OV presents better anomaly detection and reasoning performance compared with other generalist multimodal LLMs and the fine-tuned base model, showing the effectiveness of our design. As the pasta example shows, sometimes GPT can detect the anomaly but cannot give a correct reason, indicating a gap in fully understanding the visual anomalies. Instead, our method successfully locates the anomalous areas and presents a precise description of the anomalies. For more examples in other domains, such as 3D and medical, please refer to our main paper and the supplementary material. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to contact us via email for any questions.